Today we made it to 78 degrees, but the normal high is 82. The record, though, 96, and we were rain-free today. This is our Clyde Warren Park camera, really pretty shot. We have those fair weather cumulus clouds. The wind, it's light and variable. We're at 77 in Denton, 75 right now, and McKinney 77 degrees in Corsicana. Satellite and radar showing the clouds that we had earlier this morning. Those continue to break apart, and our skies will continue to clear out as we go throughout the rest of this evening. So the ridge of high pressure out to the west, that's going to be migrating east over the next few days, and that's just going to keep our weather pattern nice and quiet over the southern plains. But that also means that temperatures will gradually be increasing. So it does look a little hot towards the end of the week with highs around 90 degrees. Now, as we get into the weekend, we will have a storm system approach the plains, and that will at least bring us a chance of rain and storms. But today's data look drier than what we were looking at yesterday. So the good news is that the trend right now, at least, is it's kind of backing off those chances of storms this weekend. So hopefully that continues to be the case, but we'll fine tune it as we get a little bit closer. Tonight, though, looking mostly clear. Pleasant temperatures tonight with a light wind coming in out of the southeast. Eventually 59 degrees in McKinney, 60 in downtown Dallas, 55 overnight in Denton, and 59 degrees tomorrow morning in Granbury. Tomorrow afternoon, these highs will be very seasonal. The normal tomorrow is 82 degrees. I'm going to go with a high of 84 in Dallas, 82 though in Waxahachie, 81 in Denton, and 83 in Fort Worth. We won't stay there forever though. By the time we get to midweek, temperatures climbing into the upper 80s. By Thursday, I think we hit that high of 90 degrees. The winds could be picking up out of the south. That's going to be 7 degrees above normal. And by Friday, 8 degrees above normal, going back up into the low 90s. We mentioned that chance of rain and storms this weekend. It is still there, but the coverage looks pretty low. We only have about a 10% coverage for now for Saturday evening, Saturday night, and into your Sunday. Nonetheless, we should at least have some clouds moving in, so temperatures go down, but not by a whole lot. Again, that coverage of rain looks very low, so I think we only drop down to 89 degrees on Saturday, and we're looking at 88 by Sunday. So for tonight, mostly clear, dry, cool, pretty pleasant. We're dropping to about 60 degrees tomorrow morning, but tomorrow afternoon, under mostly sunny skies, it will be a little bit warmer. The wind this time will be out of the south. It stays light though. We make it to 83 degrees, but we are back in the upper 80s by Wednesday. By Thursday, notice the wind, south wind between 10 to 20, so it's going to be a little breezy. We climbed to 90 degrees, but by Friday, the wind picks up a little bit more, so windy, highs still in the low 90s, a little bit warmer. By Saturday, it's still going to be a little windy. The wind's out of the south, so despite the cloud cover and the chance of rain and storms moving in, temperatures only go down a little bit. So dropping to 89 degrees on Saturday. On Sunday, also looking at the upper 80s. We have a cold front that's supposed to come through by early next week. We're looking at Monday right now, so that gives us a greater chance of seeing rain and storms, but the coverage for now only at 20%. If we can get that rain to come in here and the cold front, that means temperatures go down. Highs only in the low 80s. Looking at the second half of that 14-day, you see temperatures back in the upper 70s on May 19th, and the pattern is looking a little bit more unsettled with several chances of rain and storms, but not every day. We're also looking at Memorial Day weekend. You can see on Memorial Day itself, for now, there is a chance of rain. We'll be watching it. Jason, back to you.